Hey y'all, this is Anime Weekly 1. This is your host, Zero. Time to do a review on Blackbird Volume 3. Now, Volume 3 is a very unique telling story, I'm going to say. It's pretty much about... It has a friend that comes back from wherever wherever the fuck he was. So, pretty much we don't know where he was all this 10, 12 years ago, I want to say. When she was 8, now she's 16. 4 years ago? Actually, 10 years. Yeah, 10 years. He was gone 10 years. Now he comes back, and now he wants to, I don't want to say the word, but sex, I want to say. Have sex with her. But there's always a problem with everything. And everything is, there's always somebody who's trying to kill her, for one. Second, there's always people trying to eat her soul. Yeah, eat her soul, pretty much. And it is kind of fucked up. So, yeah, and it's very scary. And it is, but there's 5 people, actually just 5 people trying to help her out and trying to save her soul, pretty much. It is a sad but lovely and lonely story. So it is kind of in a sensible act of mercy towards her. The reason I say mercy is because she could see all these spirits and all this crazy world, non-living, dead crap. So it is kind of messed up in a sense that I have. And also the dude with wings, or Kano, or what the fuck that dude's name is. I forgot his fucking name. But Kano and hold on here. Their names fucking escape me a lot. The hell? Yeah, it just goes through the first page. No names. The artwork is phenomenal. It is pretty much shit. Yeah, it's pretty much phenomenal because of its unique artwork and its coloring details into it, like this one. This one's this page right here. Yeah, it's very. She's also crying in this one, but it's sort of like, in a sense, it is sort of like touching, feely, lovey-dovey thing, pretty much. So I'll probably will be reading the next 3 fucking volumes of this shit. Sorry about saying the N-word or the other words. So, but yeah, it's kind of 2 very unique with the reasons. I have no idea why. God damn it, there's a chapter at. Give me a minute here. Here it is. You see the artwork is good in the sense of both sexually and I ain't gonna say the word. I'm literally ain't gonna try to say the word. And of course I'll probably say it in a few minutes. But who do you think looks taller in this one? Like just randomly guess. I don't know. But it's the third volume at the end of the chapters. Like at the nearest end. If you pick it up or buy it, it's a good anime. Actually, it's not an anime, but it's a good manga though. It's a funny, lovey-dovey, pretty much all the animes. All of the mangas that I've picked up recently has been lovey-dovey. This one I'm trying to show you guys right here. It's with all 5 guys. But, yeah, all 5 guys. One's 16. So, well, one's a boy and the other one's 16, but all of them are just not. All of them trying to get into her pants, though. None of them are. Just one. And creepy, but it's a good manga. I was about to say anime, like a good manga. And I hope some of you will pick it up. Not a lot. I really don't care if you guys pick it up a lot or whatever. So this is Anime Weekly 1. This is your host, Zero. And what I'm also going to do some, what the hell is the fucking word? Live. Yeah, I'm trying to do something live here. Not Brent, site. Hold on. 1 second here. Yeah, it's just .tv. I have a live feed there too. It is Anime Weekly 1. So pretty much check it out if you guys want to. So that's what I'm pretty much up to for the past couple of weeks since I've tried not to be. Well, actually, I was sick of 4 weeks actually. So I'm back and I'm ready to do some more videos. 4 videos will be, well, actually 2 of them will be on Friday, all Friday, 24/7. First Saturday will be a review. First Friday, right? Yeah, Friday I will be Friday I'll do an anime review, and then second I'll do a manga review, whatever manga I previously read or did read or whatever the hell. So just throwing it out, yeah. Oh, and I'm also on Justin.tv. If you guys want to check me out there, that's pretty good. So I'll be doing live feed on probably Friday or Saturday, because since those are the only 2 days off I have, Friday and Saturday. But the rest of the people don't. They do, but so yeah, I'm just pretty much blagging around here. So that is all for now, and I guess I'll just catch you guys later. Peace.